Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, y'all. The new makeup we're going to be talking about today this is the Morphe palette 9Z, Just Say Zen. I'm just going to be talking about one little palette today, guys. But before I jump all the way into it, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. And on top of that, guys, don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's jump right on into this palette. Alrighty guys, you already know what's up. I did purchase this at Ulta and they do give you 9 colors. These are part of their 9-pan palettes, of course. Really, really cute. The packaging in the front, I love it. I do like this background on the palette. It has a big old 9 and Z right there in dark blue colors and Just Say Zen across and Morphe right at the bottom. And then on the back, they actually do have the 9 shades with the name on them in line. This is also considered an artistry palette, y'all. Open it up, they do give us a mirror, yes. And then we have the 9 shades, y'all. So in the top row, we have 2 shimmers and a matte. And then the second row, we got 2 mattes and 1 shimmer. And then the bottom last row, we have all mattes. And you guys already know I did a look with this palette, of course. And if you want to see how I got it, just stay tuned. You guys enjoyed the tutorial. I had situations, but let's jump back into this palette, y'all. Let's start with the top row. It does give you 2 shimmers and a matte. The 2 shimmers at the top are actually very, very pretty and they're very pigmented, but I noticed the minty shade, which is Healing Crystal, I believe that one is. That minty one at the top, it is powdery a little bit, but it's still pigmented. But it doesn't feel like smooth like silk or butter. But it's not dry either, but it does have fallout, it does. This middle shade, I actually did not even try that shade. I really don't, let me see. Oh, it looks kind of pigmented. Oh, maybe I should have used it. I probably should have used that on my waterline. That probably would have popped a lot better, but. So like that matte shade, this swatch is nice. I just didn't feel the use to use it, I ain't gonna lie. And the second row, the 2 mattes, so that light purple and that matte mint. That mint one is very, very cool. I love a good minty matte shade. I did put it on my waterline. It did stay put and I love it. That's the best one to me in the whole middle section. This light purple one, you guys seen the tutorial. I'll put it in the background of my eye and it literally just faded away. I was like, okay. And I said, that's not what I wanted from that purple. I want it to be pigmented, but still blendable that I can fade out the top. All of it just faded. And I said, can't even see it. Can't even see the gradation of purples. It said no. And I wanted to just say too, this palette kind of gives me the Xenon vibes. If you guys know Xenon, the girls that know, you know what I mean? Then the shimmer one, this one actually I have in the center of my eye for my halo eye. This one actually is very, very pretty. It's like that silver duochrome purple situation. I like that a lot. That one was really cute, really nostalgic. I feel like when I was younger, we all loved a little lip gloss like that. Looking crazy, but this is a cute shade. And the last row is, I believe, Moody Blues, Deep Breath, and Indulge. I can assume Moody Blues is down here. Very, very pigmented to the point that you got to be very careful with your brush, because that is extreme pigmented blue, extremely. Deep Ocean Blue, love it. Like I said, it's a classic. We've seen this color before. So be very light-handed with your brush with that color. And then the middle one, Deep Breath. This one actually, it's like a cool rosy brown. It's actually pretty. I didn't get to use that color either. And I think that one would have been really pretty. I think the Deep Breath and the Enlightenment, that light nude at the top, is really, really pretty together. I really want to do a look with that and put like a little bit of the teal with it. I wonder, it'll probably be a really cute look, you know? But that one, like I said, I didn't put it on, but it does swatch very pretty. And then the last one, I believe it is Indulge. Indulge is very pigmented. I put her as my halo eye to create that depth in the top of my eye. And it gave me what I was looking for. Again, a very classic purple, kind of like the Moody Blues shade, but it's in the purple, and I love purple. I'm a very much purple girl. So this last shade, Indulge, did in the palette very well. So y'all, overall with this palette, I feel like it was kind of 50-50. I have to admit too, the shimmers did perform better than the mattes, but when the mattes were on the performance stage, they were performing, you know? It was kind of hit and miss on some of it, and that's the unfortunate thing. I feel like these mattes in this palette is more like when you pack it on the color right there, they stay just put in that one area, they're really good for that. But when it comes to blending them out a little bit, fanning them out, just not my cup of tea. They just didn't work that way. But the shimmers had that fallout off the bat. Didn't care for that. So I've tried a lot of their 9-pan palettes. This one is just okay. Like I said, it does give me Xenon and like early Y2K vibes. I feel like this one, if you wanted to grab it, you could if you're into the purple teal vibe, which I love purple, of course. But I still feel like this one is a good, easy pass with their other 9-pan palettes. This just, it didn't stand out. And I love this color scheme, but it just, they didn't perform like I wanted it to. This palette was just okay, y'all. I wasn't getting my Xenon life, you know what I mean? And that's what I was looking for. And overall, this palette was just cute. Is it affordable for this palette? Yes, it is. So if you just want a 9-pan palette again to be part of your collection, I would say go ahead and get it. It's quite affordable, and like you're a fan of it, go ahead. But I feel like this is a palette that you definitely can leave out. I feel like Morphe had other pastel kind of hybrid with mint and purple before, and those performed better. This one was just okay. It was all right. Like I said, the color story to me is a little bit interesting. I was into it with the purples and teals, but then the rest of it, I'm just like, it's all right. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And as well, guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. How many palettes of the Morphe 9-pan palettes do you have? Let me know in the comments below if you do. And guys, also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.